Hey, this is Timo from onlinebuilderguy.com, and today we are going to be looking at Weebly website templates and how to work with Weebly website templates or themes. Now, to access all these different themes that Weebly provides, you should go to Weebly's themes page. And what you will see here is a very typical view when compared to any other site builders themes pages or any other theme marketplaces. You will see a list of available themes, but in the case of Weebly, these themes are divided into different categories, and you can browse through them to see all these different options available. What you will notice though is that sometimes a particular theme can be visible under multiple categories, like this whack and pause theme can be viewed under online store category, but it also exists under the business category, so that's something worth remembering. Also, when you compare the amount of themes to, let's say, to Wix, you will notice that Wix has much more themes available. But I'm actually going to show you two marketplaces where you can find Weebly themes. So if none of these themes that Weebly is providing are a good fit for you, you can download and purchase premium level themes through these two external marketplaces. So it's good to remember. And I believe that in general, this is a great thing because not too many site builders has this option where you can actually purchase templates from other marketplaces. So it is a different story with Weebly, of course. So when you go to the themes page, and if you have decided to pick a particular theme, there are basically three things to remember here. You can preview a theme when you click this preview link, and then you will see what the theme will look like. So in this case, we are looking at this particular theme, and then you can cancel if you are not satisfied with this theme. And you can even choose the theme. I think that for the best experience when working with themes is to log into your account first, because whenever you are changing a theme, and yeah, this is actually something very important to remember, and I wanted to talk about this a little bit, because right now I haven't logged into my account, and the preview you just saw looked like the theme that I just selected. But when I log into my account and then choose the preview, it looks very different. And that's basically it's basically because the preview tries to change the theme, or in this case, uh, preview the theme based on your current site that you are working on. And I will show a demonstration about this very soon. But rest assured, the experience is different when you are previewing a theme, whether you have logged out of your account or whether you are logged in to your account. So we will take a look at this very soon. But anyways, if you click this theme here, you will be taken to a details page, and you will see some basic information related to this theme, a small description, but also you will see a feature list. And I guess the most important feature that you want to find in a theme is that it is mobile responsive. I believe that all the themes that Weebly provides are actually mobile responsive, if I remember correctly. But you will also have to make sure that this mobile responsive feature is also available if you end up buying a theme from an external marketplace. So just make sure that this feature does exist whenever you are picking a new theme for your website. Okay, so that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about themes and these basic actions that you can take. But as I just told you, that the preview experience is different when you are, whether you are logged in or logged out of your account. So let me just log in to see how this works. And then we will go back to the themes page. But as you can see, that I'm currently, like, this traveling site is basically selected as my default site. But let me just go back to themes page and then show you how the preview works. So the traveling is actually, the theme itself is actually very different one. Let me just, so this is basically the traveling theme that I'm currently using on my site. So if I now preview this wildlife conservation services theme and I click preview, what will happen is that it tries to show me a preview of this particular new theme. But when I'm looking at my traveling site with this new theme, it seems that nothing has been changed. But rest assured, the theme switcher does work. And in this case, the changes are so subtle that I think that when I realized this, and I actually had a talk with the customer support, I felt that these changes should be more dramatic. Like, for instance, well, at least with the themes that I have worked with in a WordPress platform, it's so much different, because when you pick a new theme for your site, you will definitely see that there are, big changes. New theme means a totally new look for your site. But these changes are not necessarily so dramatic when you pick a new theme for your site. So just wanted to make sure that you remember this. Maybe the fonts change a little bit, and some other UI related things are changed a little bit, but in many cases the changes are not so dramatic. And if I click cancel, let me just pick another theme for this very site. So if I click choose on this Let's Play Fetch or Whack and Pause theme, so let's see how this works here. Okay, let me just reload editor. For some reason I need to reload my editor. I'll do it later. Yeah, so once again, the theme is, there are some subtle changes, but they are definitely not so dramatic when we are talking about, like, for instance, when you compare it to some other platforms. So I guess, I don't know, I think they should be maybe more noticeable, but this is how Weebly operates. But anyways, if you want to access new themes for your site and you are thinking that, well, none of these Weebly themes are good fit for me, I want to have something, I want to see more options, so you can always go to Bamboo Studio to access and download and purchase these premium level themes the cost is somewhere between $30 to $40, so they are actually very inexpensive, at least on this page. And then you can always go to Webfire themes to see some new extra themes that you can always purchase for your Weebly site, these premium level themes, and the pricing seems to be somewhere around well, $30 to $40. So these are two external marketplaces that you can always use when it comes to Weebly themes. I haven't tested these marketplaces myself, so I do not have any experience of them myself, but just wanted to show you that these theme marketplaces do exist for Weebly, and you can always, find some good looking themes through these sites as well. Okay, so what else there is to it? Well, obviously you can always work with your theme settings when you have loaded your site into a editor. Like in this case, I have this traveling site. I can always go to the theme menu here at the top, and then I can change the theme if I want to. Excuse me, and then I will be taken to these themes page that I have already showed you, but there are some theme related options that you can access as well, and then you can tweak the outlook of your website a little bit further. And also there is this edit HTML/CSS link at the bottom of this editor, and you will be taken to a editor view where you can modify themes HTML and CSS. So obviously you want to make sure that you know what you're doing, and there are actually two articles, especially if you are a developer. So there are two articles related to these customizations. First, there is an article called Get Started with Customizing Themes that you can find on Weebly's knowledge base. It gives you basic information how to customize existing themes. And there is also another article that I wanted to point out, is how to create a theme, and also you can access this through Weebly's knowledge base, and it also gives you some steps that you can take if you are creating a theme. Finally, I will include a link to this blog post that you are seeing here. So I have written a blog post related to this topic. You are going to find a link to this post under this video. So please take a look at it and leave a comment and tell you what you think about this. Okay, so that's basically how the themes and editing and working with themes works. I hope that you found this video valuable, and I will get back to you soon. Bye bye.